What up, YouTube? It's Mama OBS back at again with another video. This time, you guys, I bought a new grill for the truck. Also got the 454 bow tag. I had these. I've been having them. I just haven't had the time to install them. Don't mind the truck, bro. The truck's a little messy. I haven't even recorded in a while too. But basically, when I got the truck. The grill was chrome. Okay, it had a chrome grill. I had bought some spray paint. I painted it flat black. You know, it's already wearing out. You know. Also, this one when I got it was already cracked. And I'm gonna replace this one with the 454 one, the red one with the black out trim. But let me show you guys what's up right here. So this is the grill box right here. Let's go ahead and open it. I already went ahead and I like took out the freaking duct tape, and I had opened it already when I first got it, just for I could make sure that it is what I ordered. Cause there's I had bought all these stuff on eBay, and there was a cheaper one on eBay. There's a cheaper one on eBay. It was like almost like $80, right? But it was the color. It was the color of the replicas of 454 side mirrors, the plastic ones. I spent like 130 something bucks on this one. Reason being is because supposedly, well, not supposedly, but you know, because it is what it is. But this one's glossy black. This is gonna look sick on the truck. Look, let me show you guys what's up. Look at that. I hope you guys could see that. But yeah, let me try to. It's kind of hard to show with one hand, you guys. But what the hell? Look at the back side of it, bro. It's all weird looking and shit. I haven't even noticed the back side of it till now, honestly. But I'm gonna put the camera down, that way I can show you guys. So I'll be back. Alright, I'm back, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like that. It's kind of, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm hard to brightness. There you go. See? It's that glossy black, homeboy. That's just nice, bro. Real nice, honestly. Yeah, bro, it's just real nice. The only thing that I don't like about it is somewhere on top. Somewhere on top, they had a kind of like, they didn't like where they painted it, bro. Oh, if it wasn't on top, then it was on the bottom. Then shit right here. Oh fuck, you see, like. But I mean, then again, no one's gonna see that either, you know. But oh yeah, look, it was on top. Wait. Let me see. Nah, bro, I think it was on the bottom. But alright, so this shit feels cheap as fuck, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Look. See what I mean? Look. It's already going in. Like it's stabbed. It's just cheap, bro. It's cheap. That cheap shit. It looks nice though, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And then right here, I got the freaking, that one shit. I got this on eBay for like $60 too. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna link everything down in the description below. Let me lower the brightness on this shit. It look good and shit. Alright then. Well, yeah, you guys, the truck's almost running. I don't know what happened, but my transmission is Oh, here it is though. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't know what the hell's going on now, bro. But when I thought I was gonna be done already, like having it run, and the tranny started messing up on him, bro. I don't know what the fuck happened there. So I don't know how this shit goes. The part number if y'all wanna pause and look at that. Got some little legs. Alright, let's see if it fits. This should better fit, but damn, bro, that shit looks nice as fuck. Look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna install in the truck. I am not gonna record myself installing it. I have made a couple videos regarding that. But basically, you guys, all you gotta do is there's a freaking tornillo right here. See, there's a bolt. There's a tornillo right there. There's a tornillo right there. There's a top one, and there's gonna be another one right here in the middle. Right there. That's how you remove the grill. So there's really no need in me recording myself and doing this. You guys should know how to do this already. But alright, I'm gonna install this and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product.
Y en una 454 por San Luis Río Colorado seguido me ven llegar. Cuando hay chance en el trabajo para tirar el relajo, en la morada me gusta andar, quemando llanta como es mi estilo.